Xipu Winding Machine has successfully overcome the technical challenges of linear wire-wound flexible connectors in the winding process. The tension-torsion strap TT strap used in the aviation field is commonly applied to the connection between the rotor and hub of helicopters and unmanned aerial vehicles UAVs. It not only bears tension and torque, but also provides necessary flexible support. Currently, most common TT straps adopt composite material or laminated structures rather than steel wire wound configurations, compared with traditional composite materials and laminated structures. The steel wire winding process using the winding machine offers more definite metal fatigue characteristics and higher load-bearing capacity. Especially when withstanding ultra-large loads, the steel wire bundle can better ensure the structural reliability. Furthermore, this process eliminates the risks of delamination and debonding and avoids sun brittle fraction. Its overall failure mode presents as progressive, which is an especially crucial advantage. Xipu is willing to work hand in hand with you to jointly promote the application of more reliable and efficient winding technology.